A Lancaster County farmer was charged with selling guns without a license after hundreds of firearms were found on his property. As Fox 43's Harry Lee explains, he's now fighting the charges, saying it violates his First and Second Amendment rights.
ATF agents raided this property in January 2022 and found 625 rifles and shotguns and more than 10,000 rounds of ammunition. Amish farmer Reuben was charged last June with dealing in firearms without a license. ATF's website says a person needs a license if they repeatedly buy and sell firearms for a profit, but not if they only occasionally sell firearms from their personal collection. Now King's lawyer is arguing that's too vague. He wrote in a statement, ATF itself has stated that there is no bright line rule as to whether an individual requires a federal firearm license, and the underlying statute is unconstitutional on multiple grounds.
30, 40 years ago, when the U.S. Supreme Court said about pornography, you know it when you see it. And in this case, the government's saying you know it when you see it. This is repetitive. This isn't like a one-time thing where you're selling to the neighbor.
In December, a federal judge denied a motion to dismiss the case on those grounds, writing that even though there's no clear line, King's alleged conduct clearly crossed it. King's attorney also says the licensing process violates King's First Amendment right to practice his Amish religion because it requires a photo ID, and the Amish faith discourages posing for photographs.
The problem that the judge seemed to indicate in denying the motion to dismiss is, well, you never even tried or applied for an exemption.
If convicted, King could face up to 5 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. His next court date is May 3rd. Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.